The garden is doing good. Let me show y'all some. It germinated, and then I have a squash coming up. I have 1 cucumber right here and 2 watermelon back here. None of my bell peppers germinated. 1 tomato right there. That's all me. That's all me. I feel like I'm on top of the world. That's the rest of those, the sunflowers and the cosmos. The onions are onioning. Look, my chive. But look, all right. Just in case you don't know the backstory behind my spinach, I took off the buds to prevent it from going to seed, and I feel like I have confused this plant. As you see, some of them are arrow shaped, but the new growth is growing in like a regular spinach leaf would. So I don't know. I done my research and a lot of people talk about the bitter taste, but I haven't noticed any bitter taste. At least not yet. I'll keep you updated. So we will see. My lettuce that I put out here is growing, starting to grow. My potatoes. All right. Collards are looking very good. Love that. These are looking good. I gotta spray some neem oil on them just to keep the bugs away, even though I'm putting the tool over it. But this is looking really good. This one has a little bit more bug damage. So I'm gonna spray some stuff on it. I know not. I know not.
Finisher fatality.
Y'all not gonna believe this. Don't gotta worry about bugs damage now. I'm the damage. I cannot believe I did that. I cannot believe I did that. I know you lying. I don't even know if that will. I can't believe that. I can't believe I did that. Cut. I'm done. I'm done.